Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my diary. If you are new here, in this space I talk about forex related stuff, the mistake I've made, and most important, the lesson that I keep making every day so that I can share with you. If you find this video very interesting, kindly hit that subscribe button, comment, tell me what you think about the video, and let's grow together. We are almost heading to 1,000 subscribers, and we are less than 60 people to go. Kindly just subscribe so that we can reach to 1,000 subscribers, because it really motivates me a lot when you subscribe. So coming into today's video, I know I've not been uploading videos. I have so many videos, but I've not been uploading because I have been up and down. There's a lot going on, but I think I'll do a video and try and tell you what has been happening all along. So even before we come into today's video, like up here I've been looking at, so many people have been asking me, which broker do you use, which broker do you recommend? I've never recommended any broker, but for now I feel like this is the best time for me to tell you the broker I've been using, because they have bonuses, like they're celebrating 15 years in this industry. So I feel like this is the best time for me to tell you the broker that I've been using. And the broker that I've been using is XM. If you want to join XM, you can just go to my YouTube channel. Like the video that I'm posting, this video now, the first link, you click that link. Let me show you with an example. The link that you'll click here, because I have an account with them, you'll go to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. This is how the channel looks like. Let me try and open my channel here. This is how like this, you see this. Let me mute this one. Sorry. So this is my YouTube channel. You can see I have around 945 subscribers. So kindly guys, just subscribe, okay? So when you come here, you open any video that you're going to open. I'll leave the link there. Let's say this video here, you just open this video. Let me mute it again. The first link, you see this link here, you'll just click that link. When you click the link there, it will take you to this page here. Then you can create your account. But because I have an account with them, because I had already created an account and I wanted to test before, I tell you, when you have already created, then you'll open the page will look like this one. On the phone is a bit different, but on the laptop I know they look the same. So you can see how the page looks like. They are celebrating 15 years, and there's a lot of things to do in this with this broker, because they have my account funding promotion. There are so many things to do, but let's come to deposit and withdrawal. The best thing that I love about XM, they have bonuses. Like you can see, we have 50% bonus, we have 20% bonus, and you can see here there's this offer that has already ended on 2nd June. So they had an offer, but it has already ended. So they're celebrating the offer. Ensure you don't miss this offer, because they really boost us a lot. So when you deposit, ensure you claim the 50% bonus. And the best thing again I love about them is that when you are funding, or when you are withdrawing your fund, you can use M-Pesa. Because you're in Kenya, that is the best option. Anything that has M-Pesa, especially with a broker, I'm always in. You see, they have M-Pesa when you want to deposit, and again when you want to withdraw, you can use the same M-Pesa, and it is very fast. Like within like less than 5 minutes, you're already done. So that is the best thing that I love about Excel. So you can just go and check them out and tell me how your experience is, and you can just tell me the broker you have been using, your experience with that broker. We are all here to learn. So this is the broker I've been using. I'll leave the link there. Ensure you go through it. There's so many things in this page. You can just go through it slowly by slowly. But the best thing about it, the most important, is that we have M-Pesa. They have low spread, fast transaction. So there's a lot of things to do using that broker. So coming into today's video, I don't want the video to be too long. I've been looking at GBP and ZD. GBP and ZD is the market that I have been looking for quite some time, but I've not been in the market that consistent. But anyway, again, that is a story I'll tell. From the weekly time frame, you can see how the market looks like. This is how the market looks like. The market, of course, it has been bullish, but now it has been selling. Coming to daily time frame, I was thinking of selling this market, but I feel like it has already passed. Can you see how the daily market has been looking like? Let's go to even 4 hour so that the video will not be extremely too long. The 4 hour market, this is where I wanted the market. I wanted to short this market around here, but you can see the market has already moved. I was waiting for this market to retrace at least around this area, then I can consider selling, but I feel like it is already too late. I can't enter the market, and I don't know if I am alone, or there are people who are feeling like me, that there's a lot happening in the market this day. There's a lot of changes in the market. The market, they're just volatile, and there's a lot. Like sometimes you find a good setup, but the market will not give you that opportunity. Like it just drop. Like you can see this market here. I was waiting for this market for so long from last week because I missed on this entry here. You see this entry here, I missed this entry here. You can see how the market came. Now I was waiting, I was hoping the market will at least retrace, then you can sell around how many pips, uh, around how many pips, around, let me see how many pips this, around 250 pips. But even if it is 100, because this is GBP and ZD, that is good money. But you can see the market has already moved and there's nothing I can do. I'm just waiting for the next opportunity, but I'll try and analyze the market. If I find other setups, I'll post. If I have time, I'll post the videos that I have already uploaded, because I have so many videos, but I have not been uploading them. I'll try and create time, but at the end of the day, I love how this market has turned out to be. Yes, I did not enter the market, I never had the chance, but at the end of the day, my strategy still stood out despite the temptation. It still stood out because I love trading support and resistance, and in this case, the market was already at resistance because it broke this support here, came back, retested, and surely this market will come around this area. Only that I was waiting for this retracement. You see this retracement here to come around here, then to continue selling, but the move has already happened. But I'll focus on the next pairs. So that is the pair that I was looking at, but I'll look for other pairs, then you can start trading. But again, remember, this market can also come here. You know, it is not a miracle. This market can still come here, and then what, and go up, because if you notice from a bigger picture, the market is ranging around this area. Can you see the market is ranging around that area? So I'll still watch on this market. Yes, I may have missed the selling opportunity, but I can still get a buy opportunity. Or if the market still want to continue selling, it can break here, retest, and continue selling. You see the same thing it has done here. The movement that has already happened here. This movement here, it can still repeat itself. This movement here, it can still repeat itself here, but we don't go ahead of the market. We wait for the market to tell us where it wants to go. Then our work is to follow. Okay, so I'll be checking on the market. Let's engage. Let's tell me the pairs that you have been looking at, and we can just share. You can just know what is happening into the market, because the market is really volatile. Like there is a lot of things happening in the market since Trump came in, and we have to adjust. We are learning. We keep on adjusting. I know we have been glowing because there is a story I'll tell you, but anyway, I don't want the video again to be too long, so I just wanted to update you. Again, if you want to join XM, if you want to try XM broker, use the link on my on the description. Create an account, fund, and ensure you claim the 50% bonus so that you can start trading. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed, and I hope and I pray that kindly just subscribe. Subscribe. Tell your friend to subscribe, because we are heading to 1,000 subscribers. And always watch the video until the end. And again, if you have a question, feel free to ask, comment, tell me what you think about the video, and let's grow together. So until next time, bye bye.